Hi everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to tell you how you can easily connect your LG XBOOM Go speaker using a cable. So you have to have a phone, for example, with the port, of course, charging port here. Then you have to prepare a cable that fits into your phone and fits into your speaker, which is USB Type-C. For me, it's USB Type-C to C cable. Then the first part of the cable you have to plug into your phone, charging port, and then you have to find the charging port here at the back of your speaker, under this shield cover here, and we have to plug our, cable into this charging port. Now, as you can see, our speaker is not only charging, but is detected by our iPhone like an accessory. That's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.